I split with my spouse and I recently received an inheritance. Will that be included in my divorce? Hi, I'm Bill Farias, founder of Farias Family Law. And this is an issue that came up in a case that I handled about 5 years ago. I represented the husband, and after he split up with his wife, but before the divorce was finalized, he received some inheritance money from his father who passed away. And my client was very concerned that he was going to have to share some of that inheritance money with his soon-to-be ex. And so the way that it ended up playing out was that my client had to share a small portion of that inheritance money with the wife. And the main reason for that was because it was a long-term marriage. And so the way that this typically works is that a court is going to consider a number of factors in determining how to divide property. And when it comes to inheritance money, inheritance assets, the court is going to consider when it was received. So if it is received at the tail end, right when people are splitting, or especially after the split, the court is less likely to include at least the full amount for division. However, if it is a longer term marriage, the court is more likely to include at least some of it. Now, these are just general rules based on my experience. You have to remember that judges have a ton of discretion when it comes to dividing inheritance money and property in general. And so every case is different. The court is going to look at the specific facts and circumstances of each case. But I think a good general rule of thumb is the longer the marriage, the more likely it is that a court is going to include the inherited assets for division. And if the inheritance assets were received after the parties split up or toward the tail end at the point at which they're getting divorced, then the court is less likely to include all of it for division. If you have any other questions about this, you can call us at 508-675-0464. You can email us at info@fariasfamilylaw.com. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our channel and share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. And you can also find us on social at Farias Family Law. Thank you. Have a good day.